living in the moment. You're loving the camper van life. You're living in the moment and loving the camper van life.
Hi guys, so today is Nina going down to Austin Day today, and I've still got to do that. That piece of wood there. My multi-tool hasn't turned up yet, so I'm sort of hoping that comes soon so I can get it done. Jen's found me a load of strips of polythene that we had for, I think they're meant for putting across your windscreen in the ice and things, but they're quite narrow. So I've taped about 5 or 6 of those together to make one big sheet, and then I'm going to put it across the whole back to stop the dust, because it took me ages to clear up the dust last time when I didn't cover anything. Yeah, so I shall be doing that in a little while. I'm just going to put the sheeting up. I won't show you that because it's going to be boring. It's just taping a bit of sheeting to the wall. I will put my GoPro on the chesty though when I'm actually cutting that off, and that, so you can see that coming off, and my new multi-tool if it ever turns up. So I'll come back to you in a little while. So I've got the plastic up, there we go. Probably not easy to see, but you can see all the bits of tape everywhere. Yeah, so my multi-tool still hasn't turned up, so getting a bit worried now that it's not going to come in time. Never mind, I think it can come up till 9 o'clock, and then it'd be too late to do it and then take her down to Austin's, but fingers crossed anyway. So I will come back to you in a little bit. Right, my multi-tool is finally turned up. I'm going to use it for cutting down there and for cutting around the wheel arch. So I've never used one before, so wish me luck. I'll switch the GoPro now. Right, we're going to go for the wood first, so I think that'll cause less dust. So one of these. I'm watching myself up on the phone up here. And some of these. I bet I look really pretty now. Let's see. Right, let's give it a go. I've never used one of these before, so I'm going to show just a little bit. There we go. Yeah. So I'm going to actually move that round and do it sideways. You right? Okay. So the idea of this is to cut the wood in place and not really. Unfortunately, the GoPro stopped recording after 59 seconds, so yeah, you didn't get to see me actually cutting anything. So I'm just going to cut one more last little bit now, and I'll quickly show you that I'm working with this new tool. I'll do it now. And that is it. So there we go, that's the multi-tool actually working, and that's how we cut all this out. So that wall is now bare. So I've just got to take this out the top now and stick it in a black bag. I'm going to put some new different insulation in. So yeah, there we go. And it's not as bad inside as we thought it might be. There's no rust inside there. This is the seam that Austin's got to fix on the outside. And some of the wing arch, which is in there. Just see a little bit of rust there, look. And the window frame, that's all going to be redone. So, right, I'm going to quickly clean up, and then I'm going to take Nina down to Austin. So the next thing you'll probably see is probably Austin doing some work on her. So I'll see you in the next vid. Cheers guys.
Living in the moment, you're loving the camper van life. You're living in the moment and loving the camper van life.